Good day. We have a stabilized video on the left and the original video on the right, and you can see that there's quite a difference between them. In July of 2020, we tested a number of video stabilization products that were free, and we settled on NCH Videopad. There are two problems now. The first is that the 2021 version of NCH Videopad has moved the stabilization settings. So that's what we're going to show you here. However, we're going to have a second video that shows you how to do this completely free using a freeware tool called VirtualDub. The link that's appearing in the top right-hand corner right now is for last year's video, which compares Filmora, NCH, and a few other tools for the video stabilization. We'll also put a link in the top right-hand corner right now showing the VirtualDub tool, which is completely free and doesn't expire and uses the exact same technology as NCH. By the way, they haven't paid us, they haven't sponsored it, they haven't given the software for free. It's all completely legit. Here is our original video from, I guess, July 2020, was about a year ago. Anyway, to get the NCH software, let's just drift off to NCH Videopad. We'll just do a Google for that. And of course, they have an ad at the top. I avoid clicking the ads, it just makes Google money. Not anti-Google, just I prefer to avoid having people pay for things that they can get for free. So now you can click download now, and this is free for home use. However, at least in the 2020 version, the video stabilization feature is only available in the Pro version, so you have to pay, unless you've just downloaded it because you've got 30 days with all of the features. So let's show you that. So if you just have a few things to do, which is what my circumstance is, I rarely need to video stabilize, but once in a while I do. Let's show you how to use the 30-day for free, and maybe you'll end up buying the software later if you like it. You do the install. I've already done the install. It's a click next install. Just click on the file and install it. So we're going to skip that. So after it's installed, click start and click the Videopad, NCH Videopad editor. Then you take your file. In my case, it's an MP4 that I have. Just going to drag it into the left here. It will add the file. And yes, this is the same source file that I used to do the stabilization that I've already shown you. Where it used to be is under video effects. And it's probably in here somewhere, but I'm not able to find it upon quick scan. Where I found it, where I have found video stabilization now is in the right click menu. So if you right click, you'll see stabilize video. You'll also see it in your Windows 10 context menu, or Windows 11 as it may be, as Windows 11 looks like it's coming out shortly. Just right click on it, on the video that you care about, and select Stabilize Video, and all it's going to do is take you back to where we are now. So we'll skip that part. I'd like to interject for just 10 seconds and ask you to click like if you found this video useful. Our site is dedicated to explaining technology in simple ways and providing cookbook answers for technical problems. We spend a lot of time on Windows 10 and Windows Server. We spend a lot of time on Azure, Office 365, but mostly our products are about how-tos. Lots and lots of cookbooks, like how to uninstall something when it's stuck. If you would click subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. It really helps us with the Google algorithm. Thanks for your help, and back to the show. So let's right click on this and select Stabilize Video. Let's just take a quick look at options here. And you can see you can set the codec that's being used, and you can set the amount of compression that you need or that you would like, whether it's lossless or not, and the audio codec as well, and the quality again. Let's move up to advanced. And there are some interesting settings in here. We're going to leave them. The most interesting thing in here is this video deshaker webpage. So let's click on that. And that takes us out to a little add-in for VirtualDub. Now, VirtualDub is free software. So you can do this also through VirtualDub if you wish. We've used VirtualDub in the past. It's fine software. For the sake of simplicity, let's keep using the NCH software. Let's go back to Videopad. I'm just going to click cancel here because I made no changes. And let's click ultra quality on that and let this run. Now, this is a 2-minute video, and we will speed this up so you don't have to sit and wait. And I will tell you how long it takes, but I can assure you it's not going to be 2 minutes. It's probably not even going to be 10 minutes. It's probably going to be much longer. Okay, so that just finished, and that took about 25 minutes to do 2 minutes and 19 seconds of video on an Intel i7 with 12 cores. So to save this file, there's a couple ways to do it, but the easy way is just drag it down and do file in the top left-hand corner and save or export video. I'm going to buy it later and call it whatever you want. I'm going to call this ultra stabilized. Before everything else is the same, I don't want to change anything here. Okay, so here are the 3 files. This is the original, and it is 92 meg. The medium stabilized is 86 meg, and the ultra stabilized is the same, so it's not a matter of file size. Let's take a look at these 2 ultra versus normal stabilization and see if we can actually see a difference in quality. Okay, so there they are. The one on the left is ultra stabilized, the one on the right is normal stabilized. And I suppose there's some difference, but it's pretty minor. And I can tell you that the medium stabilized took about 5 minutes to, maybe a couple more minutes than 5, but not much more than 5 minutes to do the stabilization. And again, if there's a difference in this, it's not dramatic. Now let's bring up the original. This is the original on the right, medium stabilized in the center, and ultra stabilized on the left. The one on the left, it's definitely a little more stable, but I don't think the image is as clear. It's fine, but I don't think it's as clear. And it certainly, in my mind, wasn't worth that extra time. It certainly was worth time and effort to go through the conversion from the one on the right to the one in the middle, which is from the original video to the medium stabilization. That was absolutely a good call. We'd really appreciate it if you would click like. It's very helpful with the Google algorithm. And subscribe as well if this is the kind of thing you like. We do a lot of this type of stuff. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you usually within a day or so. Alternately, you can always get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. That's urtech.ca. And that's about that. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.